In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Odoo website. To get started, open your Odoo website and navigate to the page where you want to place your text. Once you're on that page, look toward the top right corner and click Edit. This will open the website builder so you can make changes directly on the page. If you don't see the editing tools right away, give it a second to load because Odoo will switch from the normal page view into editing mode. After that, move your attention to the panel on the right-hand side. This is where Odoo keeps the design and content elements you can use on your page. In that panel, click on the Blocks tab. The Blocks section contains different pre-built content elements that you can add without needing to code anything manually, which makes it a very beginner-friendly way to build or update your website. Inside the Blocks tab, look for the text element. This is the block you'll use when you want to insert written content such as a heading, paragraph, short description, or any other text you want visitors to read. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct element before placing it on the page. Once you find it, drag and drop the text block onto your website page. As you move it around, Odoo will usually highlight possible placement areas so you can see exactly where the block will go. Drop it into the section that makes the most sense for your layout. This helps keep your page organized and easy to read. Now click directly on the text block you just added. This allows you to edit it and enter your text content. You can replace any placeholder text with your own wording and adjust it so it fits the purpose of the page. It's a good idea to keep your text clear and concise, especially if this section is meant to communicate important information quickly. While the text block is still selected, notice that the panel on the right will switch to the Style tab. This is where you can customize the appearance of the block. For example, you can change things like the background, padding, borders, and other visual settings. These options help you match the text section to the rest of your website design and give it a more polished look. When you're happy with both the content and the styling, click Save. That's it. Your text has now been added to your Odoo website page.